Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now for our update is trading at 0.3857. 24-hour volume, we're up 59%. And so far for the price, we're up 3%. So heading over to our immediate short term for 4 hours. You guys, again, this is immediate short term, but we can kind of take a look at some indicators here. Overall, it is taking a look at a correction that we are going to experience in the next couple of hours. But if we quickly take a look at the price action, we can see Doge since November 12th has been consolidating sideways. So the price coming down to an area of support and then retesting our resistance. However, in the last couple of hours, we did fall short on retesting our resistance area. So this does show some weakness in terms of the buyers of trying to push and ultimately break through this consolidation. The consolidation, it could definitely be a temporary pause in this current uptrend, or it could be a reversal depending on how many times we retest areas of resistance and support, but most importantly, the volume itself. So if we take a look at the volume, honestly, it's been very, very stagnant. It hasn't really been pushed up or has increased, even though so far we've seen a 59% increase in the volume. Really hasn't seen much movement in price. But what we are going to be taking a look at is some of our bearish indicators that we see. So we see the RSI at 52%. It is very, very moderate. It can definitely move up in an uptrend or continue downwards. It's kind of in the middle phase here. However, what we do see in terms of the RSI, it has crossed over our signal line. So we see the RSI is this white line crossed below our signal line. That does show a bearish crossover and that we may see that correction happen. Most importantly as well here, we do see our MACD indicator. Yes, our MACD indicator line is above our 0%, but what we do experience and what we do observe here is that we see the histograms are getting lighter in color and they're basically diminishing, meaning that the overall uptrend that we had in that failed attempt to try to get up to our resistance level is ultimately diminishing, where the bulls are not really pushing back here. So it's giving the reins over to the sellers, and the sellers ultimately may break through our 20 MA. Now with our 20 MA, it's technically okay if we do break below it, because we're still in this consolidation phase from our support area of 33.9. So if we do see that pullback itself, we may see it cross below and close below our 20 MA, coming down to our 78% of our fib at 36.2. These areas are still okay. The only area that we may see some trouble is if the price, it comes down to 35.6. And you guys can see my pointer here at 35.6 is essentially where we have our 50 MA. And the reason why I say that is because we've broken below 20, our 20 moving average several times, but we're still able to keep between our consolidation area. And if we do break below our consolidation area, especially closer to the 50 MA, it essentially would show us more defining areas and more defining reasons why this consolidation itself isn't going to be a continued uptrend. It's going to be a complete reversal on the downtrend. But I mean, that is going to be heavy on the volume itself to see if the sellers or the buyers are able to maintain this consolidation before we see, more validations if we are going to break up in an uptrend or a downtrend. But let me know what you guys think down below. I feel like Doge is going to be sticking through this mental consolidation up and down for the next couple of days before we actually see a surge, possibly some fundamentals in the news where we see, Elon Musk possibly posting something or Trump wise. But let me know, you guys, down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, like and subscribe, but I'll see you guys next one.